FMLA. A horrible idea. Let me elaborate. I'm Mark Greenstein, citizen of Connecticut, hoping Connecticut will stay afloat for these next 10 years. It's ugly when half the legislature thinks that a bill to give people family medical leave just on a whim is going to be financially sound. It can't be. Not when people are going to get 90% of their pay back. There's no downside to coming up with reasons why I need to take leave from work. My pet is ill. My daughter in California has a baby bridal shower, or baby shower, or bridal shower. There's so many reasons that people will take advantage of, and we're paying for that. It's not going to be, oh, what you individually built in for your own savings. No, you're taking from a trough of other people's savings. And the first to get to that feeding trough will be the winner, because there won't be enough to go around in later years. They will cancel the program. Okay? It is unsustainable. When people are guaranteed 12 weeks of leave and they're paying in such a pittance, 0.5% of their salary, it doesn't make sense. It would take, on average, somebody to work 46 years to have actually paid in to take out 12 weeks, or once a year, but only for every 46 people. Well, that's not going to happen either. There are enough people that are eager to get out of work on somebody else's dime when they're only paying a dime out of $1 in lost wages. Now, if a bill like that had a 60% maximum payout, then people would think twice. They probably would take leave only when they really need it, a real medical emergency where they don't have much of a choice. So now you're giving them a sustained income. That's reasonable. Then the actuarial tables would say, you know, somebody getting sick like this once every 20 years is more likely. Still, fiscally not great, because they're extracting at a rate that it should take once every 46 years. So the math does not add up. And people behind this, they can do math, okay? They know that it's a recipe for, we'll get more and more out of people. It's 0.5% now, but what's 2.5% when you're helping people? You're helping your fellow mankind. You're helping the state's workforce. Look, the way to help the state's workforce is self-saving, or maybe even an employer putting money away for families that need leave. I do this. Okay, I've been stashing things away ever since I heard about this cockamamie plan back in February of 2019. So it's only been 3 months. We're building. And in the process, we are skirting a system. You don't need my employees to be in your system, and I hope you won't extract the 0.5% of their wage. Let them keep it all. Hopefully the bill goes down in flames in the first place. But if you're going to have this FMLE, it has to be done at most 60%, not the 90% that they're talking about. I'm Mark.